This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your iPhone meets requirements. iOS 17, 4 or newer and at least 2 GB free. This prevents install failures. Next, sign into the Google account. You'll use and enable two-step verification so you can access beta features and linked apps. Once done, open the App Store and install the official Google app or Gemini app if it's listed. These are the installers and gateway to service. Without the correct account and app, you can't proceed to activation. Now focus on account and an app setup so Gemini can run smoothly. Open the Google or Gemini app, grant microphone, notifications, and location permissions when prompted. These let voice features and context work. Then, navigate settings and opt into beta or labs if Google lists Gemini there. This unlocks the model. After that, enable keyboard or widget integration so you can summon Gemini from other apps. Make sure to restart the app after changes to apply permissions and finish by testing basic functions. Ask Gemini a short question, try voice input, and use the widget. This proves end-to-end access. If you see access blocked or features hidden, sign out, reboot the phone, and sign back into your Google account to refresh tokens. If problems persist, clear the app cache or uninstall and reinstall the app. That resolves corrupted installs. One key troubleshooting tip: check two-step verification methods. If your second factor fails, Gemini won't authenticate, so update your verification settings immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.